Hi, this is Craig and Valerie with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be taste testing this Mabruka mango. I don't know anything about this. I've never heard of Mabruka before, but that's what it says. So we're going to give it a try. Seems like it is ready, so we're going to give it a go. It's a nice, good sized mango. It's got some nice thick cheeks on it. It smells a little resiny.
It looks underripe.
I don't think it.
It's just light
We'll
colored.
see. Yeah, I don't know.
It's possibly like the beginning smell of an overripe one. I feel like
No, it just smells like resin to me. But
maybe I may be mistaking resin with the overripe smell.
right. That's a good mango. That reminds me a little bit of odorata, but not as severe. This would be a good gateway mango for trying odorata because it has a lot of piney resinous. It's got some sweetness. It's got some tartness.
I was worried why Dad didn't react to that.
I don't think it's overly.
Super tart, my God.
No.
Oh yeah.
Did you get a? Let me try a different bite then, because the bite I had was not tart. Let's try one this end.
Oh, mine's extremely.
Oh, the middle is tart. It's not quite right.
Okay, that end was tart. The other end, try this end.
I'm still tart. That's wrong end.
The first bite I had wasn't tart. The next two were
As
tart.
soon as I was like, "This is so tart," and why isn't Dad reacting to it?
Yeah, so I mean, I'm guessing that it is a little underripe. But tell you what, that first bite I had that wasn't underripe was really good.
Yeah, I'd really like to try another one that's more ripe. Like, how soft was this one?
This was soft and it was starting to get fragrant and everything.
But maybe
Let me try.
if you buy one of these, maybe let it get a little extra.
Let me try cutting smaller pieces and see if I can find one in the middle here, something that's.
And the middle still seems to be pretty sour.
Really? Okay, so
It
That
tastes
must
like
be-
it would be a good mango. It's not quite right.
well,
Yeah, it's just
to me,
way
that
too
was
sour.
That wasn't too sour.
Here, I want to try
Well.
this. This looks the most right. Yeah, this was good.
What?
This is the good end.
This side?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is
I
very
only
good.
do two. Okay, yeah, that side's way better.
The stem end is the sweetest and the most,
Try this piece in the middle there, Valerie.
where you can taste the complexity without being shocked.
So some of this was underripe, but the parts that were ripe were really good. Very resinous, very piney, but still sweet and juicy.
I'd say let this one get real soft would be my
Yeah, I guess it needed another day or two. I still think even being underripe and sour, I still think that's a good one. I'm gonna have to try that one again sometime with give it riper, because I think that could be a really excellent mango.
Yeah, it'd be really good just let it get ripe.
It reminded me, like I said, of the odorata and maybe a little bit of an ice cream. Just to have that real severe, good, spicy, aromatic flavor to it.
Like you said too, like piney. Because there's quite a bit of like
Yeah.
a piney taste with
So
it.
good complex flavor if you like a good complex mango. Let it get good and ripe though. This one did still have a little tiny bit of green at one end.
Yeah.
I guess I should have waited till that green was gone completely. But we got a lot of mangoes to get through, and so I kind of probably pushed it a little bit. Even with the tartness though, I think that's pretty. I'm gonna have to look back into this one again. I don't know, just based on that though, I still say I would plant one of those, I think.
Just let it
And
fully
then let it
ripen
ripen a
up.
little more. But anyway, that's a good one, Mabruka. Don't know anything about it, but I thought that was good. I like that one.
Really too sour with
Yeah.
this one.
I'm getting a lot of bites of here. There's still a little bit of that sour, but it's not too sour even now.
I
But
wish
You
we
must
had
have
two.
given-
Like I
Yeah.
really want to.
Well,
You
that's one I
must
wanna
have
look
given
at
us
again
the
and,
really sour.
so anyway, that's a really good one. If you get a chance, try it, but let it get good and ripe. And that's that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
And the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack. Put the sack up on my back. Every